Ni hao, food enthusiasts. Today, join me on a flavorful journey through the rich and diverse world of Chinese dishes. Get ready to embark on a savory adventure. Recipe 1. Sweet and sour chicken. Our culinary journey begins with a classic, sweet and sour chicken. Gather these ingredients. Chicken breast, cut into cubes. Pineapple chunks. Bell peppers. Onion. Pineapple juice. Soy sauce. Vinegar. Ketchup. Brown sugar. Cornstarch. Let's create the perfect balance of sweet and sour flavors. Cooking instructions for sweet and sour chicken. Coat chicken cubes in cornstarch and pan fry until golden brown. In a wok, sauté bell peppers and onions. Mix pineapple juice, soy sauce, vinegar, ketchup, and brown sugar for the sauce. Combine all ingredients and simmer until the sauce thickens. Recipe 2. Beef and broccoli stir fry. Next up, let's stir things up with beef and broccoli stir fry. Gather these ingredients. Beef sirloin, thinly sliced. Broccoli florets. Garlic. Ginger. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Sesame oil. Cornstarch. Prepare for a wok-tossed sensation. Cooking instructions for beef and broccoli stir-fry. Stir-fry sliced beef in a hot wok until browned. Add garlic and ginger, followed by broccoli florets. Create a sauce with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. Toss everything together until the beef is cooked and the broccoli is tender crisp. Recipe 3. Chicken fried rice. Let's delve into the comforting flavors of chicken fried rice. Gather these ingredients. Cooked rice, preferably day-old. Chicken breast, diced. Peas and carrots. Eggs. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Green onions. Get ready for a satisfying and quick one-pan meal. Cooking instructions for chicken fried rice. Stir-fry diced chicken until cooked through. Push to the side of the wok. Scramble eggs on the other side and mix with the chicken. Add cooked rice, peas, carrots, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Stir-fry until well combined. Garnish with chopped green onions and enjoy this delicious fried rice. Recipe 4. Dumplings, jiaozi. Let's try our hand at making homemade dumplings, or jiaozi. Gather these ingredients. Ground pork. Shrimp. Napa cabbage. Green onions. Ginger. Garlic. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Dumpling wrappers. Prepare for a delightful dumpling making experience. Cooking instructions for dumplings, jiaozi. Mix ground pork, chopped shrimp, Napa cabbage, green onions, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Place a spoonful of the filling in a dumpling wrapper and fold. Steam or pan fry the dumplings until cooked through. Serve with a dipping sauce of soy sauce and a dash of vinegar. Recipe 5. General Tso's tofu. Our culinary journey concludes with a vegetarian twist on a classic, General Tso's tofu. Gather these ingredients. Extra firm tofu, cubed. Cornstarch. Broccoli florets. Soy sauce. Hoisin sauce. Rice vinegar. Brown sugar. Red pepper flakes. Prepare for a flavorful and crispy tofu dish. Cooking instructions for General Tso's tofu. Coat tofu cubes in cornstarch and pan fry until golden brown. Stir-fry broccoli florets until tender crisp. Create a sauce with soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, and red pepper flakes. Toss the tofu and broccoli in the sauce until well coated. Closing scene. A Culinary Odyssey in China. And there you have it. 5 delectable Chinese dishes to bring the flavors of China to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an adventurous home cook, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary odyssey of crafting Chinese delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the flavors of Savoring China.